Oh man, do I love this topic. Emotions are always a touchy subject because a lot of time, if we're thinking about negative emotions, it's hard for us to deal with feeling certain things. Well, I'm going to share with you some advice that can help you with that. So inspired by one of my older videos on how to be in control of your emotions in tense situations, I'll go ahead and link that in the video as well. Today specifically, we're going to talk about the general motions you should go through when trying to control your emotions. So the first part is outlining your emotions. You have to know what it is you're feeling when you're feeling it. So my usual question in a lot of my videos, I ask, how do you want to feel? So quick example on this is when you say, I want to feel good, that could mean a lot of different things. For some people, feeling good means enjoying themselves in the moment. For others, feeling good means they've accomplished everything on their to-do list and they can enjoy themselves as best as possible. Whether it's good or bad feelings, you should have an idea of how you feel during these feelings and how you would like to feel when you feel these emotions. So now that you've outlined your emotions of how you're feeling when you're feeling a certain way, now you need to be aware of when you're feeling them. So a good example is using this when you're feeling good. Usually if you are feeling good, you express it in some way to someone, or you might think to yourself, I feel great right now. This is an awesome time. Using this same technique with negative emotions will also amplify these negative emotions. So the last part that comes with this is acknowledging and knowing what to do when faced with a certain emotion. So as easy as it is to feel and amplify a good emotion, it takes time, discipline, and practice to acknowledge and know how to react when dealing with a difficult emotion. Now, I'm specifically not using the term bad emotions. These emotions that you're feeling are a biological reaction to whatever stimulus is causing you to feel a certain way. These emotions are a part of you. They're a part of who you are. They are not bad. Understand that when you are feeling a difficult emotion, that this is a biological reaction that you do not have to succumb to. You can be in control of these emotions. How you choose to react is your decision. So there will be plenty of times when your emotions are running high and out of control. This takes practice. It takes discipline and time, as I said. Now, with all these instructions that I've given you, I'm going to be extending this series to handle each of what I feel are the most difficult emotions. Those being anger, anxiety, fear, and sadness. For now, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like. Please leave a comment if you got something good out of this video that you want to share, or some recommendations on how you are in control of your emotions. So as always, I hope this helps. I'll see you next time.